Hello everyone, greetings and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show us quickly and briefly on how to use Google Meet. Google Meet is a platform where you can easily have video meetings, online meetings, conferences, trainings that with so many people where you can interact with each other as though you were sitting in one hall. It's an easier way to hold meetings online nowadays. Okay, the first thing is we're going to go to Google Meet. If you can, okay, you can go to Play Store. And then if you don't have Google Meet, you can search Google Meet. So you're going to see it here. This is it. You simply click on install. So I already have it, that's why it's showing update here. I already have it installed in my device. So once you're done, what you're going to do is you simply open it. You open it, you're going to log in. I've already logged in, that's why you can see this image here. You can change the account as well. So you can, once you open it for the first time, it's going to prompt you to log in. So you will use any of your Google accounts to log in to that to Google Meet. And the next thing is how to create a meeting. You're going to click on this new here where you're seeing new. You click on new. You're going to see create a new meeting or schedule in a Google Calendar. First thing is, if you want to create a meeting, you click here. It's going to open up, and you see this. It shows up already a link for a meeting. So you simply copy this link and share to the people that you want to have the meeting with. You can share it whether it's on Messenger, you can share it whether it's on WhatsApp. Simply click here and you copy this link, and then you can share it, or you can click on this share and it's going to open up, and you simply take, for instance, WhatsApp, and you go ahead and share it to the person that you want to join the meeting, or to the group that you want to join the meeting. Simply share it. That's the link. So anybody that clicks on the link will be prompted to join the meeting. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to join meeting. Okay, we'll take on join. Right. Here we are. And you can see like the first button here is the red button. Is if you want to off or get out of the meeting, you simply click on that button. The next button close to it is the camera button. If you want to turn on your camera, you want people to see your face during the call, you simply click on that. And the next button in the middle is actually the microphone button. As you can see, it's currently muted. When you have something maybe to say during the meeting, you simply click on that to unmute. As you see, it's currently unmuted. and you can simply click on that. As you can see, the waves they're showing that is currently unmuted, and people can actually hear your voice. Next button there is actually the hand button, where you can actually put up your hand if you have something to say, and then the admin will tell you to unmute yourself and say whatever you want to say. Then when you are done, you simply click on it again to lower your hand. Okay, the next thing is you're going to click on this three dots to the right bottom of your screen to access other things. And here we have some major things that we're going to set. You have the in-call messages. Here is simply where you can click and send messages during the call. Maybe it's your own contribution or what you want to say, and you're unable to maybe speak. You can simply click there and type in your message and then send it. All right. Then the next point of concern here is screen share screen. So that's simply where you can share your screen. When you click on start sharing, it's going to show everything on your screen, and then you simply that is everybody that is in the call or in the meeting is going to see your screen. Maybe you want to show something, and then you simply share your screen. You can simply take on cancel if you don't want to share your screen. And the next thing of concern is host control. That's where you control the host. Is going to control who else can be the next host. There you can click on simply on the host management to decide whether everybody is going to share the screen or not, and also to decide whether everybody can send a message or chat during the meeting or not. We're going to on it so that everybody can share the screen, everybody can, and we can turn it off when we're done. Okay, another thing here is activities. The activities here, it shows the different activities that can be incorporated during the meeting. And here our concern is we're going to use, maybe you can use YouTube. You can actually play a video from YouTube during the call. Maybe there's a particular video you want to show the people during the call. You simply go to YouTube, you click on open YouTube. Then you're going to go and maybe select the particular video that you want the people to see or you want to show to the people, and then you're going to click on start and start live sharing with Meet. As you click on start, it's going to open up, and now it says what Meet live sharing requires YouTube Premium, which means you need the premium version of YouTube to be able to share a video from YouTube to Google Meet. The premium version of YouTube is simply the paid version. It's actually the paid version of YouTube, where you can actually use YouTube without ads and any of those things. All right, you can also see at the top right corner here, there's this headset sign. The headset sign, that's where you can actually control whether you have on your sound or not. If you click on turn off sound, You will not be able to hear anything that the other people are saying during the meeting. You can use headsets or headphones. You can use your phone microphone or your phone speaker. You can select any of them that you want to use. So each time you are not hearing, you can always check there to ensure that you have turned on sound. Then next to it, you can actually change to your front camera or to your back camera by simply just clicking on that sign, on this sign up here, and you're going to see the back. Okay, you can see, you can actually show things from the back camera, and you can click there to come back to the front camera. I think basically those are the elements that are necessary or are useful during Google Meet call. Thank you. I believe this were useful to you. Don't forget to share to help somebody, like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook for more videos. God bless you.